Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own push-up bra. So if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to make the push-up bra for my baby sister. She wanted something that will just make her have a cleavage. I'm going to transform this strapless bra into a push-up bra. These are our girls before, and as you can see it doesn't look bad, but she just wanted that sleeve, she wanted that cleavage. This bra is her size, but it looks smaller because she's worn it on top of this top, but it's actually her size. So for her to see that cleavage, she has to push the girls together. The first step I'm going to do is to make holes on the wings of this bra, and I'm going to make them on the same place on both sides. So I'm just marking first so that it guides me on where to make the holes. I've marked like an inch apart. Then I'm going to use these scissors to make the holes. You can use any sharp object to make the holes.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions.
Once you're done with the holes, it's time to lace it, and I'm going to use this shoelace. I always prefer shoelace because it easily goes through the holes, but you can use any type of thread. If the lace is too long, you can just cut it.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is
I'm pulling the lace the same way you'd pull the lace on this other bra.
my dreams.
And just like that, guys, and we are done. You have your push-up bra.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost
Small boobs can use this.
You wanted to see your cleavage, now there's your cleavage.
Yeah, here.
You love it.
I love it. Well, small boobs can use this.
Your boobs are not small.
If with small boobs, you know, mine is so big. So
Yours are just medium, they're not big, but you wanted to see the cleavage. No, there goes the cleavage. You love it.
miracle.
That's what you wanted. These are not miracles. This is just like a hack, and it has worked. But this is what you wanted to see, and boom,
The results.
the results.
Hey! Something to do with boobs and booty.
She was so impressed with the results because she could see her cleavage. Actually, her girls are not that big, but as in, she was so impressed and just feeling herself. So this hack is for anyone, if you have small boobs, if you have big boobs, especially for if you have small boobs, because it kind of pushes your girls together. It just gives you that lift, it gives you that cleavage.
So that was it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look at my booty. Bye. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.